In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off live captions in Google Chrome. Live caption is a built-in Chrome feature that automatically generates subtitles for audio and video played in your browser. It's great for noisy environments or accessibility, but it can also pop up when you don't need it and take up screen space. Turning it off is quick, and you can always turn it back on later if you change your mind. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. This opens Chrome's main menu with all your browser options. If your window is narrow, the icon might be close to the address bar. It's the same three-dot button. Next, choose Settings from that menu. Settings will open in a new tab with a list of categories on the left side. This is where Chrome keeps all of the controls for privacy, appearance, and accessibility features. In the Settings tab, click Accessibility in the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar. Accessibility is usually listed under the Appearance and Performance sections. Clicking it will reveal options that help customize how Chrome handles captions and other assistive features. Now find the switch labeled Live Caption and turn it off. When it's off, the toggle will move to the left and typically turn gray. That's it. Live caption is now disabled. From this point on, Chrome will no longer automatically generate captions for videos or audio you play in the browser. The change takes effect immediately, and you don't need to restart the browser. A quick note so you know what to expect. Turning off live caption in Chrome doesn't affect captions that are built into specific websites. For example, if you enable captions directly on a video player like YouTube, those will still work independently. Live caption only controls Chrome's automatic browser-level captions. If you ever want to bring live caption back, just repeat these same steps and flip the switch on again. When you turn it on, Chrome may briefly download speech files the first time so it can transcribe audio offline. That's normal and only happens once. And if you don't see the live caption option under accessibility, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date, as older versions might not include it. That's all you need to do. You've successfully turned off live caption in Google Chrome, keeping your screen clear when you don't need subtitles. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your browsing experience.